Okay, now we are moving forward with the admin dashboard customization part 2. So last time I already show you guys how to customize the header right here, how to change the logo, and how to customize the search box right here, and even the color and the shadow of the headers. So everything in the headers completely changed, completely customized. And now we move down with another thing right here. So how did I do this with the box? Of course, I still keep the same effects when we hover right here. So how I change, I make the corner route just a rounded corner like this, and the linear gradient. Type on Google like linear gradient CSS, and you see the result right here, and we'll find there are so many results appears. So you can pick one that you would like, something like this one, or even the first result here. You can choose this one. I use this one since it has a really perfect result for you. You can customize here, and then the value change right here. You can see, and even the transparent, you can see right here, right? So this size is a really good choice. It's a perfect choice for you guys. So actually for now right here, how did it do? Just compare to customize the demo size to be the same as mine, right? Okay, now we move to check out the demo site of the author. So the demo site of the author is right here, and I go to the admin area here. Okay, this is the default admin dashboard of the author, and this is mine, what I customize. So you can see the huge difference when you change the color. When you change the color, everything seems different. So this is the default with a square corner, but I changed to the rounded corner here. So how do you do that? Okay, it's easy. Once again, do right click on the position that you would like to make change, or do F12. Actually it's not F12, it's Control Shift I right here, inspect or Control Shift I. But actually if you do right click exactly on the position that you would like to make changes, it's easier. So I would like to make change right here. Okay, remember this one is for the mobile view, and this one is for the web view. Okay, and it's here. I will make this for easier. This one is easier, so but here. Okay, okay, don't care about the others, we just care about this web box. And in this part I will also show you how to change the background color and so now this one, of course not. And you see that it's just covered right here, so it means that it's just only the icon, so we have to move to the bigger part. So we need to move out of the child to find a parent. So this one, oh, larger area, not, oh, it seems this one, right? It's exactly this one, since the one right here is the one from Bootstrap. Okay, right here. So I will try to find a color here. Okay, so this is the default value. I'm lazy, I just lazy to change the name right here. That's the reason why it's still green. Actually the green is the value that the author named for this part. So you could change the color. For example, right here I make it orange, and you can change this one to orange. but you should change right here. Background light orange, and this one also need to be matched. It's easy. Whenever you would like to customize something, check the HTML, the class name here, and just do customize on the CSS style to match with that class name. So it's easy for me. Even I change this one to my name Lax, and right here I change to background light Lax. It works whatever way you like, but professional way is change something that related to the party error right here. Don't change like beautiful dog, or cute cat, something is crazy, and it's really hard for you since it's hard to for the next customization, or even for your teammates move forward with this. Okay, we could find the color is right here. Okay, this is my value, so try to check what is the author. So the author use just a single color code right here. It's just only one green color, and he put important, like last time I told you guys. You don't have to memorize everything, so just remember every time you would like to relatively something, mm, just put this one behind the color code, or anything, any value. For example, right here, margin bottom, and then I put this one, follow the margin bottom. I put it on the right of the margin bottom. It means that right here it will priority, um right here. I'll try it for you guys to see. For example, right here, the margin bottom is 30, so I change the value to important right here, right? But here another thing, uh okay, this one appear later, and I remove this one, and we will see the result what I told you guys about. This is 10, and then we see the value. Okay, then you see it appeared, but if I remove important, it will appear the 10 pixel one. So follow the CSS. When you put something, this one is on the top, right? The same value, but which one appeared first will be something we'll check later. Photoshop, sorry, CSS will read like from the latest to the latest one right here to the previous one. Just read from the bottom to the top instead of the reading from the top to the bottom. So CSS read from the bottom to the top. So any value that is duplicate, then CSS will read the bottom one. So this is, and the reason why it's right here, it appears the top right here. This is the same value, right? But it appears the top right here, since this one with the value of the important right here. Okay, and you see it did right now. When I remove the important, of course it's disappear. Okay, this is just a quick information about the CSS style. So the author put important here, but this is a single color, right? And the color is white, and the color is white. And right here I use the linear gradient, uh, the degree, so we could change the degree here, and the color, and I also put important. So it's really easy, linear gradient, and then open like this. Okay, so copy the same, You can copy the same string if you feel uncomfortable with any other size, or it's hard for you to find the right value here. Just go to my site and inspect like the way I show you and copy the string and change the value right here. Change anything you like, for example here, right? So change the value. Okay, I get another box right here, cyan. So cyan here, copy. You still can do Control C and Control V to paste. Okay, copy, and we paste it here. I forgot this one. In the author default, in the default style right here, this is a single color. When you are using a single color, single background color, then you can name it, can call this one a background color. But actually when you use a gradient color, you use this one, just background. This works for the background image and background gradient, but actually this also work for the single color. I always use the background. I don't use the background color in case I will forget something, just like you should see that I forgot about this one. Right here I try to change the color and you will see this is the yellow, oh, light yellow, and this is not really nice. I changed to something like, sorry you guys, since I really like the red and the yellow. Okay, here, okay, this one seems okay, but look at my site. I like from dark. Okay, I try this one from dark to light instead of this one is from light to dark. But look at this one, you have the emphasize part here, and this one you have nothing, only when you hover. Okay, it's easy. So I tried to do this one, and why this one is like, don't care about this one, it's just the same. I will fix for only one box and you guys can apply it to any others, right? Sort of, it's right here, it's easy. Since the author used, it's right here, this is the color, so he used the color right here, it's a black color here, you can see, reduce the transparency here, so that's the reason why. So one thing is you reduce it or to zero, the value of zero. Another way is remove this one, but actually you should remove this one, delete it. Why? Since you should reduce the code in the CSS or even HTML. If there is something unnecessary, is back is right here. I move it up, and then you can see when I hover, there's nothing else happen. So the use after value right here, when we hover, change to the black color with transparency. So any color is transparent, okay? But how could it make like this? Is go from left to the right, it's right here, the value is right here. They use transition on here. This one is easy. Try code pen, and then you could find many CSS style here. You can try here like CSS transition, hover. I think that hover, not transition, hover effect. This is the best result. So you could replace by searching here. Let me see, post box shadows. Okay, we find a result here. Copy everything you see, transition. So this is for different browser, okay? So WebKit transition can transition WebKit transform copy this part that you would like to get, and that's it for the button. And for the button hover apps, you just copy the same, but this is the name of the class is button, right? And your site is something else, and you should memorize. Your size is right here. Inbox hover is being effect here. Hover is being effect replaced by the button here, replaced by this value. Hover is being effect, and then it works. Okay, now we move to routed color. So how did I do this? This is the icon. So pay attention to all the boxes. So this is the value that I made. So turn all of this one into the same thing on my side right here. Control V, and then you see everything. It's just the same. It's completely the same. Okay, and remember, like there's a reason why I removed the icon background, since I see that with the icon background is pretty, but it depends on your eyes. Why did I do so? So since this is the, you can see the background is with a large area, so I try to check its a body. The first thing that you need to check is the body. If this one is, it covers a whole side with the same color, almost the color, the body color, so it's right here. So the body right here, and this is the color that the background under the author set. I change it to here. Okay, you can see the result, but try my color is better. Paste. Okay, it works. It's really much nicer, right? Now I move this one to the default. Fix this one to make it better. Okay, right here, just remove the color better here. You can see immediately which one you would like to make, like the one the same in my site, the same on my site. That is this is I keep the style from the author, keep this icon background color, and this one I remove the icon color. Whenever you slide or whenever you hover, it appears like this. I prefer this one to the version of the author. Okay, and now we get this one. But actually, you can see the box right here. This is with the light shadows. I feel really nice. But this one, you can see that this box with a really dark shadow, but it's not really nice to me, so I would like to change the body right here. So it's here. Where is shadows? Let me check. Okay, it's here, a card. And now you see the box shadows. So what did I made for my site? You can see like it's just slightly dark, so it's nice. So it's right here, card. And I change with this the outfit is my box shadows. I have the WebKit box shadows. Since we have we need to add the values right here for different browser. So I will check. I will pass this into. This is much better. If I reload everything, you can see the result and you can compare immediately with the author color. Okay, 3, 2, 1, reload. Okay, you can compare is is completely different. To me, it's much better than before. Okay, for something just the same here. Uh, so when you change the value, everything also change right here. So now the last part of this one is I customize this one into this one. So this one, a small one on the left, and this one is on the left. But I like something more be balanced. I like the thing I feel like balance. So I put this one in the center. Now check it. Actually, in this one is the admin CP. It's only accessible by me. Okay, this is the user info. This is the whole area. User info. And now I try the same thing for this one. Okay, click here, and this is the image. Class image, user info, class image. So you can see the image here, and you can see my image here. Okay, and this is the value that I changed, and this is the value of the author. So right, it's the same, it's the same, it's the same. Okay, so what make it different? And we check to the image here. Then if you would like these details, then you could ask me. I will provide it for you, but actually I just only provide for the guys use the apps, Android apps. I won't provide for you if you ask me on the website, since I need someone to support for my works. So with the apps, then I could get chance on add more earning. So I advise you guys to ask me on the app. So this is the image value, but actually this is the weight I change with height. You can change the values right here. It's just right here. Change the values right here. But I advise you guys don't put the inline value right here. But I should remove this one. And even the author is doing this is not really good for a website optimization. And this one is the here, so I just copy it. I don't care about any others. Okay, easy. Now we try to reduce the values here. You can see that it up here. So we try to put this one something like, you could change the value right here. Okay, and then we go back to this one. Okay, give it top value to 0. Okay, that's the result. You can change by any other ways, or even right here with this one. So right here, the menu, it works fine. Nice right here, right? It still be in the middle. Okay. Okay, we finished the dashboard customization this time. Next time, I will show you guys how to customize the login page. See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and especially use my apps, since I will count the time you are using, and if you are using long time and you regularly use the apps by posting the status of a comment or share everything, or even like yeah, you active you have lots of active times on the apps. I will have many free giveaway for you guys. I'll see you next time.